Origins in Burgundy. Explore how Charolais cattle first emerged in Burgundy's rolling green pastures, prized for size and strength. The white coat legacy, a look at the iconic creamy white coat of Charolais, symbolizing purity and heritage, strength of draft cattle. Before beef fame, Charolais were prized as powerful draft animals in French fields. Burgundy farmers' pride. Generations of French farmers carefully bred Charolais for muscle, resilience, and adaptability. Pastures of Charolais. Wide, fertile meadows in the Charolais region, where the breed gained its name and reputation. From field to fame, how French butchers and markets made Charolais beef synonymous with tenderness and quality. Selective breeding tradition. Farmers in Burgundy refining genetics to create a balance of size, fertility, and meat yield. The energy of French cattle markets where breeders proudly showcase their finest animals. Beyond farming, Charolais represent cultural heritage, appearing in festivals and agricultural shows,